Lag and slow performance are some of the most frustrating problems in Adobe Premiere Pro. Playback freezes, delayed previews, long render times, and stuttering timelines can make editing much harder than it should be. The good news is that there are several ways to improve Premiere Pro performance and reduce lag, even on mid-range computers. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix lag in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. Before changing advanced settings, try restarting Premiere Pro or your computer. Temporary memory issues can sometimes cause lag immediately. One of the easiest ways to improve timeline performance is lowering the playback resolution from full to half or quarter resolution. If you're editing high-resolution footage like 4K or 8K video, create proxy files for smoother editing performance. To improve playback, render timeline previews for sections with heavy effects or transitions. And that's your full guide on how to fix lag in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to improve playback, reduce stuttering, and create a smoother editing experience using Premiere Pro.